What's up, YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to give my first thoughts on protein pastry by Legendary Foods. Check it out. Okay, so here's the box of protein. Let's try to get a good focus on there. So yes, this is by Legendary Foods. 20 grams of protein per servings, only 4 grams of net carbs. So if you guys are into keto or just trying to keep your carbs down low, you know, it's cutting season. Everybody's trying to get, hold on, let's see if I can show a little something off today. Everybody's trying to get a little ripped, a little bit, you know, a little bit more showboaty for the summertime. I really like this packaging though. I'm not going to do overhead shots for this video because I don't feel like setting it up. This is going to be quick, fun, and fast. So there's 8 servings per container. That's 8 pastries in all. You're going to be looking at calories close to 180 calories per. Actually, I can just show it to you. Let you focus. Okay, screenshot that. And hopefully, you know, you got what you need to see. So the thing that got me on this is that I love Pop-Tarts. I love Pop-Tarts like it ain't nothing. I love the bootleg Pop-Tarts. Whatever I can get my hands on, I love them. But it's so much sugar, and the only time I can really get some is if I sneak them from my daughter before she goes to school, and she'll be like, "Dad, you ate all my Pop-Tarts." But I love them. I love pastries in general. So I was intrigued to figure out how good these taste. I've tried so many different protein products that were, you know, pastries or some kind of sweets that you could snack on and eat, and the closest thing I got that was also keto friendly was, you know, Quest bars. They're great, but you know, they feel like they're missing a step or two. These are like Pop-Tarts, and I've had one already, so I kind of cheated this, and so I get an idea of what they taste like and what they, you know, look like. But we're gonna open it up on camera. So this is a single serving. Yes, they're still pretty small. This is me squeezing it so you can really see how big it is after the package is out of the way. So it's not really big, but it's 180 calories. You're supposed to microwave it for 10 seconds. Follow the instructions. 10 seconds is the perfect amount of time to get the best quality that this product can offer. Now, when it comes to taste, I would say that it is very close to this one is strawberry. There's tons of flavors. I normally never get chocolate because chocolate is pretty much the most basic, the most basic flavor outside of vanilla for anything that's protein. So you really can't judge a company about how good they do chocolate. You know, it's pretty basic. But strawberry, man. And plus, I don't buy chocolate Pop-Tarts anyway. I always buy strawberry. This is what it looks like. And if you can see, it is definitely a lot closer to a pastry than it is, you know, like Pop-Tarts are a little more crunchy. And I don't know if crunchy is the word I should be using. Flaky. Yes, flaky. This isn't flaky. This feels like, I don't know what this say. Kind of like those pizza, like those old pizza rolls, the small ones that you can make. It's very fluffy. But you can see like that how it tears apart. There's plenty of jelly or jam or whatever is in here. The crusts or crumble to jelly proportions are pretty good. It's a super solid product, and for taste, it does taste just like the Pop-Tart. There's no aftertaste of like grittiness or anything that you get when you buy most protein products. You don't have to microwave for 10 seconds, but it tastes a whole lot better because you know, the filling is a lot more warm, and I think it's better dispersed once it gets warmer. But overall, these are really good products. So I'm not getting paid to do this, at least not yet. Hey, if you guys are seeing me, I love these. Send me some for free. I bought these on Amazon. I'm gonna list the price here or here. It's gonna be up there, and a link also down below. So that way, if you want to check them out yourself, I would say for 8 of them, they are a little bit on a pricier side. But if you got to get the protein in, and you're tired of eating a bunch of eggs, or you're tired of a crazy diet and you just want to get something in that's sweet, also meets your macros or whatever you're tracking, this is great. This is a great option. This video is going to be pretty simple. If you found, that was pretty good. If you found value in anything that or anything I've just listed, go ahead and take the time right now. Like, subscribe. I'm trying to get back in the groove of things. Also, if you're into gardening right now, this is the season. If you're into gardening, check out my other page. I'll link it down below too. It's called Savage Garden, where I grow stuff mostly in containers for people who are new to gardening. You know, check it out, grow some food. It's a great time to start trying new things. I love you guys. My name's Eric Lee. I am finna kill this. I'm out. Damn, they did it. They did. We were still recording? Oh, snap.